Hello, hello. Mic test. Let me know in the comments, guys, if you can hear me, all right? So, tonight is just gonna be like a chill type of trading. Not exactly trading, but like, yeah, charting altcoins. Yes. So if you have any questions, just let me know. And yeah. Mhm. All right. So for tonight, I'm gonna be doing altcoin charting. I just want to check. I just want to see previous datas. Just me preparing for bull market, and I thought of like doing live also, so you guys will be able to see how I do my charting as well. So if you have any questions on whatever you see on my screen, yeah, don't be shy. You can ask me in the comments. All right. Okay, so let's have here. Okay, so currently I have link. Okay, let's check how link is. Link is one of the coins that I also hold, or I'm going to be holding in bull market. So, yeah, so if I track some markets, guys, I really would like to see, even though I know what the link has been since it started, still, I would like to see how it went way back then. So you can open monthly, just to understand how the coin is like. So I just want to point this out that we have a 4-year type of cycle, right? And Bitcoin, I have mentioned that before in my live. So 4-year cycle, meaning we will have a year of bull run, yeah, right? A year of bear market, a year of accumulation, or a year of like establishing itself again, at least like that. Yeah, 4 years count. Yes, so last bull market we had was around here. So not exactly the bull market. This one is the start of the bear market, right around that area. So I would just like to mark that up. And that one is around 21. Okay, ignore the month, guys, because we are in the monthly, so it's not gonna be exact. Later at the weekly 3 days we can see then. So yeah, so 21 was the last, and then last time was also around here. Yeah, so it's a little bit different with the Bitcoin, because Bitcoin we had the bull market around 2017, 2018. Then we got the start of the bear market. Yeah, so currently, since then 2019, then 20, this is the COVID crash, right? It's very important for us to know the historical data of the market, so we would be able to understand the future movement of it. So right here we have the COVID, March 2020, COVID drop. Yeah, so for those who doesn't have any idea with it, you can pull up your charts. You can see DGI or S&P, okay, and see how the market drop, crazy drop. So yeah, so right here. So at this point only, I would like to see how much did it went up to 2%, no, 2,000% from that bull market. Okay, so that is 20 times. So I'm saying 20 times, guys. So if you invested in Chainlink back then for, let's say, like even just $100, 20 times of $100, that is around $2,000. Yeah, so I'm just tracking, possible movements now for the future. We're done with the bear market, at least like the pain of it. Yeah. Oops. Yeah, the pain of it. Now it's gonna be a really long consolidation, not the consolidation, somewhat like consolidation, but more of like, I would like to call like accumulation point. Okay. What's up with my trading view today? Something's up. Okay, so let me try to refresh my screen, guys. I'll stop sharing. I'll just refresh my trading view. Mhm. All right. So let me try to share this one again. So by the way, guys, if I go silent later, just like doing charting, then you guys know that I'm, you know, getting serious with it. Not serious but like focusing on it. Okay. So don't mind it if I don't speak anything. So that's why if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments. All right, so link. Yeah, so since the drop, let me remove this one so I can see the topmost of the wick from the topmost area. Yeah, we have a drop of 89, more than that, I guess, right now. Yeah, 91, almost like 100% uh, pullback. In terms of altcoins, I know you guys will be like, for those who have studied the Bitcoin, because Bitcoin, by history, during bear market, it averages around 80%. So if you see Link doing 90, that's normal. It's alts, okay, altcoins. So we literally have altcoins that goes way below, you know, way below its starting point, and that's normal. Mhm. So this is Binance. So I would like to see if we have. Mhm. Okay, it's pretty late. I'm looking for very old exchanges in here, guys. Nah. Yeah, anyway, so 0.1. So we can see that since May last year, and almost a year now, way past a year now, Link has just been accumulating, not accumulating, but more of like consolidating or ranging. It's not moving from 9 to like 4. So that's the nature of altcoins, unlike Bitcoin, that it can have some sudden up and down, like a proper movement, like a typical market. But on altcoins, they tend to move when the bull market is there. That's it. Yeah, so, but when they move, they can go, can go crazy up from there. Yeah. So this is the monthly right now. I would like to see the 2 weeks. How's it going? Okay, so let me take this out. So if you guys can see, I already marked this red zone in this area way before, because I'm expecting Link to hit around this level. And yeah, we're almost getting there, almost. Last 2 days ago, I guess 3 days ago only, we hit 4.7, the lowest in this season right now. Actually, the lowest it's this year. Last time we got the low around December. Yeah, in December it was around 5.3, but now Link is hitting 4.6 or 4.7. So if we'll align that, this guy, let me hold this. Okay. Yeah, right around here, looking to the left, we touch some levels already right here. So that is still part of that support zone on this key right here. Yeah, so yeah, I'm just putting up my zone where I expect Link to get supported. So if Bitcoin is gonna drop more, which which I'm seeing way back last webinar that I did with Bitcoin, we have I broke it down to you guys that with the MACD, it will give us that pullback, a chance to buy again. So it will go down. So I'm seeing alts going down as well. So that is now what is happening, what we analyzed last time. So it's happening right now. Now, yeah, I have bought some Link when it dropped around here. So now I want to study how much possible return I'll be able to get. Yeah. So currently I'm in a 2 week session. So if you guys can see, we don't have anything, right? We don't have any reference aside from the all-time high. So with all-time high, we will be able to know that, oh, okay, possible take profit with the with Link in the future would be around 53. Yeah. And that alone, where we are right now, 5.3 guys have 5.3. That is 10 times. So me putting even just $100 in here, just from all-time high itself, will give me roughly around $900 or like you can say around 1,000, not doing anything. Yeah. So that is our only reference. So yeah, I would like to do deep analysis with this in terms of like take profit. Mhm. We will study Ethereum later, guys, okay? I need to see some data with Ethereum later. That's why I'm putting it up in there. But another minimum target for me with Link is around, I'm saying like 138, 26x. Yeah. 36x. Okay. Yeah, so I would like to leave it there for now. Yeah, so let's go study Ethereum. Mhm. Let's see if we can pull up older charts with Ethereum. Some USD, time history, USD. Okay, this is good. This one is good. We have the all-time history index. Yeah, yeah. Let's see. So we have the data from when Ethereum literally got got listed in Tradingview itself. So it's good. So I would like to see some. I need to collect some data around here. Mm. So this was the 2017 bull market, guys. Okay, 2017 to 2018. And crazy. I will never forget this COVID crash because I was able to buy Ethereum around 80 to 90 to $100 only. Yeah, and it did 4% return. Hmm. Okay. So I guess this is the oldest data that we can get with the link, I think. But I remember link came out around 2017. But anyways, so we'll take it from here. 17, 19. If this was the pump, okay, 4,000. All right, 4,000. Ethereum doing the same thing. Yeah. Let's see the link again. This was this year, yeah. Ethereum, same thing. Okay, so I bought around 5.2. Do you think it will go any lower or possibility is there? Yeah, because but it is entering the zone, the buy zone. So it really doesn't matter now if you buy a 5.2, 5, 4.9, 4.7, 3 doesn't matter now. You know that. So yeah. So what I'm doing now, I would just like to see some possible, the gains now. We have been talking about entries. I've been talking about it for the past live sessions that I have been doing, accumulating. Now I would like to prepare after this because I already almost like 60% I have bought now. of my portfolio. So just waiting for some more. Yeah, but then from here, after I bought everything with my portfolio, I just want to close it down, relax. I know my TPs. I know when to get out. And at the same time, just do some day trading at the side. Yeah, so Ethereum for okay 4.5 Uniswap. So Uniswap established around 2018. Won't forget that because there was a rise with DeFi and what was that farming. But this one is with Binance. I don't think we would be able to get proper charts with Uniswap because again, Uniswap. Uh-huh. Let's see. I don't think Polynex is old, but I don't think it will have the oldest chart right now. That's sad. Yeah. Uniswap. Mhm. All of these are new, guys. Ito. Okay, let's try to see if they have chart for Uniswap. Uniswap itself. This is by ETH. Yeah. Bitfinex. Okay. Let's see. No, same. 2020. Yeah, same. With Binance. This one is Coinbase nga eh. Binance around 2020 then. Yeah. It's Uniswap, I remember. It boomed during the DeFi and then the farming phase. So that is why it got pushed through or got listed on exchanges, popular exchanges like Coinbase, Binance. So it's sad because this is the current data that I can only work on. So there's nothing much in here to be honest. 223. Okay. But I know Uniswap is gonna go up. So it's in a similar structure with Link earlier. If you guys can see that, it's around 5. Uniswap is around 4. To be honest, that's so cheap. That is like 200 pesos only or 500 peso. Not even 500 peso. Because 500 would be around 55 eh. 550 peso. Five, $10 pala. $10 would be around 556. Yeah, 560 peso. So that's nothing. So Uniswap $4. Same. We got the top of Link around 53. Uniswap we got the top around 45. Not that much difference. And if you buy right now, literally similar structure, where the all-time high was okay around 45. And yeah, if we target that, literally same resort. Yeah, so but if we'll see around 2.618, I remember on Link around 26x at least, from there. So 4.4 tayo. Okay. So let's just take on 4.6. Yeah, similar return. Not much difference, but then for those who are like thinking, oh, okay, they have the same, projection, take profit projection. But then you have to think when it comes to altcoins, okay? I've been in 2 bull runs, so I know how their what do you call it, their attitude, you can call that attitude, or their movements, kumbaga. you know. So sometimes Link will pump a month later. Uniswap might pump before Bitcoin. That can happen. It happened. Yeah, so that's why uh, it's good to have some different coins, in your portfolio. So, are you eyeing any micro cap coins? Yes, I do. I actually have a list, but just take this as a advice. Um, those micro cap coins, they can literally change your life. I myself have experienced that. Literally bought this one coin around 11. I will never forget this. $11 lang siya, guys. I bought it at $11 at night before I sleep. I woke up, it was running around $130. That is a microcap coin. And I have from there, I have seen my account grew till $20,000. I just invested. It was crazy. I woke up like that. So this, yeah, micro cap coins can change your life, but at the same time, are they worth getting right now? Yes. Just a moment. Yeah. So are they worth getting right now? My advice to you, not yet. Okay. This is the thing with micro cap coins, or we used to call it shit coins. They work when it's dream bull market. Okay. So now it's not a good time. I can tell you that. Don't expect it to like go up. Those coins that goes up, okay, are literally rare, very rare. So unless of course they're like a meme coins, yung mga pepe, right? So am I gonna drop it in premium? Yeah, for sure. Why shall I keep it with myself? I will drop it in premium, everything. So yeah, let's go back. I really want to finish this one tonight. Charting. So, 2,500 Uniswap. Just a moment, guys. Okay, so I would like to see, how is this in here? 2,000. So we get the idea to around 2,500% possible return with them. Okay. So with Uniswap, we got the top around here, and this is crazy. Can you see? We got the top around here. Yeah, for sure. It was the same with Bitcoin. Can you see? But Bitcoin did a higher high from 64. We did another 69. Yeah, so around here. So if you can see, Bitcoin actually did the top first. Okay, by the way, this one is a 2 week chart. So after 2 weeks, you can see Uni moved also. So it's late. Yeah. And then after that, we got the dump. So when we dump from this area all the way till the very bottom, let's take it 55% with Bitcoin, and with Uniswap, yeah, 71% with Uniswap. But then Bitcoin did another, you know, move to the upside, which is 135% return. But with Uniswap, from the very bottom of it, it only did what? Same result, 141%. But then again, if you see, guys, if you see, Bitcoin is much higher in terms of, numbers. It's higher than its previous high, but the Uniswap is lower than its previous high. So this is the thing. But the ranges around 100% movement, 100 and 140% movement. Get so, in the future, if you go over the alts when you are in the bull market, try to see it like this way, okay? Because I don't want you guys to do this mistake of like thinking that, oh, Bitcoin broke the all-time high. Uniswap might break the all-time high also. It can happen, yeah. But then again, we have to be realistic because from here, Bitcoin at this point starts to drop. Yeah. So this is the highest of Uniswap, and it was just around here for the Bitcoin. And then we got the movement, and then right here at this bottom to there, we move for 72% right here. So let me mark it up. Okay, at this point, ito yan. Yeah, so right here for the Uniswap there. But then when it moved up, can you see? 42%. I guess it's almost of ranging if we'll zoom in, not moving, stuck. So it can happen that, you know, there are incidents that you might be buying Uniswap and thinking that, oh, it's gonna go high, much higher, because Bitcoin is breaking. So this is just one reality for you guys to be open when the bull market comes. That's why I'm studying it right now properly. So when the time comes, I don't have to confuse myself again. But then again, if there are any changes with the market that I see that I have to adjust, then I will. But what I'm doing is by what's the word for that? Just preparing, by history, because it's not that history repeats itself in crypto, but it is synonym, is somewhat like similar. Okay, so let's open link. Let's remove everything. Okay, again, so let's see. We got the top of link around here. Let's open the 1 week chart. Okay, 1 week chart. So now you guys can see the top, the proper top of it, which is around here, May. Okay, and then if we'll pull up May, right here. Yeah. All right. So from this point, like February, yeah, Bitcoin literally hovered at this area, at this point there. But then Chainlink, on the other hand, instead of hovering, it pushed to the upside. Can you imagine? From 24, right here, 24, or like let's say 29, it reached 53. That is almost like 100% return. It did a move of 100% there. But on the other hand, Bitcoin is, getting tired. Can you see? It's getting exhausted. Yes. But with Chainlink, it's just, that is the last push of it. So this is the thing with alts. Again, they are late. They're late. So if you'll see, Bitcoin did a big move from here, like 11,000 breaking, and then we got the 46. We're in Elon Musk, everyone got in, you know everyone. Then you can see Bitcoin all over the news that, oh, Bitcoin is hitting 40,000, we break the Trust me, guys, you'll see it. The next bull run, your news will be full of that. So right here, 350%. That is actually pretty impressive. And wait. So right here, we got the drop, and that drop, just a moment. So at this point, this is where Bitcoin stopped. I mean, like, yeah, it was stopped, and then we got a month of almost like a month of just pullback or consolidation right here. Yeah, 21. So this area, if we'll see on the link, can you guys look at the link chart? Let me close this one. Yeah, now it's bigger. So if you'll see the link chart, okay, the link candles, this is where, okay, I'll do one by one. So this is the Bitcoin top candle. Then next to that, right here, is where we drop. So going back, that is just like the starting point of link. Can you see? We didn't break anywhere at all. We're just like around here. Let me change this. Yeah, we're just around here. And then when Bitcoin halted or consolidated, it is then the time of altcoins to pump. Okay? So remember that. Yeah. So Bitcoin again halted. It had its run going up, and can you see, I guess this time you will get frustrated because Bitcoin is doing a run from October all the way till January. Oh, Bitcoin went from like 9,000, 10,000, 11,000, all the way to 40,000. But with Link, October, Link is not going anywhere. 11, 11, 11, 14, 14, 12, 14, nowhere. I remember because I was having this coin waves. I'm not quite sure if you know that, but it's one of my coins in my portfolio before. I see the Bitcoin go up, and I was so frustrated with wave. It took a month before it went up. I was so frustrated. It's not going up. You know what's happening? Yeah. So right here, Bitcoin had its move. Altcoin accumulation, let me tell you, this one, more than 3 months. So when the Bitcoin top right here, then altcoin moves. So right here, and this is the time where the money now everywhere, is now pouring in the market everywhere. Traders, big traders, whales, retail traders, small traders, traders who wants to have that luck, not luck, I don't want to call luck, but some, that they want to have the taste of crypto also, that, oh, I see my friend making money, I need to, like, you guys get the idea. So all money that there's possibly out there is pouring into crypto. So that is why the third run, okay, so I'm just want to pull out, my elite wave in here. I trade with elite wave. So in elite wave principle, the third wave, okay, it tends to be the longest out of, there's 5 waves, out of 5 waves. Can never be the shortest. It can never be the shortest, but it, most of the time, it is the longest of the three. And this is it. Why? Because from the first wave only, people then see, oh my goodness, we're going up. Can you see this right here? You can consider that somewhat like a first wave in theory. Now people see that, we pull down, yeah, money pours in. So can you see that? That's why chain links, altcoins, and this is the thing. Oh, miss, why is altcoins, in terms of like percentage, it is higher than Bitcoin, you know? But you have to understand, Bitcoin before moves like that, when it was around $100, $300, it did give the same return. So the difference now is this: the market cap. Okay, market cap. Um, in a simple word, it's just like it is the money inside of a coin. Or if you have a company, it is the valuation of the company. So let's take Jollibee, right? So let's take right now Jollibee is 100 million. And that, I know that's small, but like, yeah, let's just take that is the valuation of uh or inside of Jollibee. Okay, 100 million, let's say. And then let's say Jollibee gives out this much share, okay, for the public to buy. And per share, let's say 200 peso per share. You understand? So Bitcoin right now is like one Bitcoin, or you can equivalent it to one share. One Bitcoin costs like at this point is around 28,000, or if you want to buy one bitcoin it costs around 26,000, let's say, or let's round it off. Okay, so but that is not the inside money of bitcoin. There are trillions. Okay, when it was back in bull market, we're literally hitting that. But then again, yeah, going back on the market, valuation, the market cap. So with Chainlink, so it's easily, it can easily get double, especially if it's just like $1. So if it's $1 and the supply is very low, and people wants to buy it, right? Of course, the share, or let's say the link valuation gets higher. So the when people pours in money, yeah. So let's say the valuation of link, or the market cap of link. You know what? Let's open coin market cap and let's see what how much is the link right now. Okay. So you guys would be, understanding this one also. Mhm. So currently, Chainlink has $3 billion in market cap. Okay, so for Chainlink, all right. So let me share my screen with Chainlink. Yeah, is this clear? So go over here. Currently, the price of Chainlink is around 5.37. So we want it to double the price. Okay, we need it to double the price. So how can that, how can we do that? We need to pour in money. So currently the market cap is 3 billion. So if you want to double the price of Chainlink right now to all, let's say $10.6 per one Chainlink, we need to pour in money that can, double also. So we need 3 billion coming in the market right now. You guys get the idea? So, that is just $3 billion. Okay, I'm saying just $3 billion. Why? Because with Bitcoin, okay, Bitcoin has 500, half a trillion, guys. And I'm telling you, when it was bull market where we're hitting 50, 60, we hit trillion. And now we are half the price of it. Yes, we have half the price of it. Now we also have the half the price of you know a trillion. So 500 billion, guys. So we need another $500 billion money coming into Bitcoin to double the price. Yes, so that is why in that sense it's much harder to to, in terms of return, to go up, because right now it's just $3 billion in link. So when money comes in, 10 billion coming in, can you imagine? That is why, going back on the chart, let's go back on the chart. That is why if you see on Chainlink alone, it easily went, okay, from $5 right here, from $5. right around this area. It easily went from there all the way to right here. So five, yeah. So this is what happened at this time. Bitcoin was already, going up. Bitcoin paused. Now it's time for altcoin to move. Money is moving into altcoin. So yeah, that is why it was easy to double and double and double. Just imagine. That is why the micro cap coins, which Darren mentioned the micro cap coins. Why I said that it can literally change your life. Like I slept that night, at the price of $11 only. I woke up, it was 100. That's the reason behind it. The market cap in that coin is really small. So just imagine if you bought that coin a starting price and then the market cap is just $500. Just $500. Now take 100 investors, then pouring 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. You're what? You're growing your market cap at the same time the price of the coin is growing, and of course your portfolio is growing. So that's what happened with the micro cap coin that I had. I used to have during bull market. Yeah, so I hope that explains with you guys. You know, during the bull market, how come coins goes up like crazy, and why coins doesn't go up at all because there's no money pouring in. Okay. Hmm. Yeah. So going back, link Uniswap. Okay. Yeah, so I guess let's have the continuation of some of the coins that I'm also holding tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow we'll have a live again, and if you guys want to come and chill with me again, if you have any questions, just let me know. All right, I'll charge some of my coins tomorrow, some of it. Okay. All right, guys. So thank you for being around here. Okay. Um, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay. Have a good night. It's getting late, yeah. Bye bye. Take care.